Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be reviewing the Michael Kors Bradshaw convertible shoulder bag. Here is a little 360 view. The story behind this bag is I have this plant here. It is called the lemon lime philodendron, and this plant has chartreuse green foliage as well as some darker greens at the bottom. But the star of the show is this color green, and when Michael Kors came out with their 2021 spring collection, they had a bag in that color and I had to get it. So the features of this bag are: the front has a woven leather design, and the back has a slip compartment here. It's pretty deep. On the inside, you get a leather trim at the top, and the bottom of it is all polyester lining. On the sides, you get two rings. You get a circle ring as well as a D ring, so you can put your straps on either or. As well on this side. The piping on this bag is this poofy piping. It's different from the regular piping, which is the glazing here, the black glazing. That's the traditional way, and this one is kind of different because it's like poofy. And the way that you get into this bag is by using this push lock button right here, and when you push it, it should release and you're able to open the bag. On the inside, it's all leather at the front. The top rim is leather. It has leather trim on the inside. You get a slip compartment here as well as a zip back compartment. This bag also came with a crossbody strap, and it is adjustable with these type of holes here. This is the type of hook that it uses, and it's all silver tone hardware as well, as you can see. On the shoulder strap for the bag, it's all leather here, and on one side it's this chain detailing with this Michael Kors charm on the side. Now I'm gonna also show you what fits inside of the bag. I have my card case here. It would go into the front slip compartment right there. It fits perfectly. First aid kit, my Louis Vuitton round cube coin pouch, my Coach pouch, cleaning wipes. All of that fits in there perfectly, and my phone usually goes in the back or in my pocket. Ta-da! And here is the name of the bag. I recommend this bag for anyone who is into the shoulder bag trend right now, or to those who like to wear mini bags on a crossbody strap. The price of this bag, you get a lot of options. You get a crossbody strap, you get a shoulder strap. You could also wear this as a clutch, so you get versatility with this bag. I recommend it a lot, and they have a lot of colors. They have black, a nude color, a brown. They have spring colors as well, like this green one, a blue one, a pink one. All right, and this is the Michael Kors Bradshaw convertible shoulder bag.